You showed up at my door unannounced. Stayed up all night until the sun came around. How long will it be until you figure out you're more than just a friend? I need you all around. I know I can love you right. Don't give it up before you even try. Take our time. Don't wanna cross a line, but would you be mine?
Where you up in the blindfold down. You love it when nobody's around. I wanna call out round town, but you bite my lip, don't make a sound. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you. So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
Stepping out of the shadow in my room, caught between cowboy clouds and misty moon. Silver dress, sparkle lights, crystal blue. I was lost to the menace of the mind, sucker punched by love most of my life. Told myself I would always toe the line. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. Tripped on love and fell, you shook me out my shell. Now I know you well. I fell for you. I fell for you. Life is swift, I'm right, dark. Loving you.